Now guys, in this video I want to tell a case that happened to my friend. His brake pads quickly worn out. After several replacements of brake pads, they began to search on the stand. It means that the brake calipers did not wedge. The trip is always calm moderate. There are not sharp brake or keep the pedal on the distance. And also, I even disassembled the brake calipers, cleaned them, lubricated them, but the problem was still not solved. The problem turned out to be in the brake discs. They weren't of high quality material, and as a result, they were out brake pad of any brand. Already later, when we replaced the disc, it was decided. Now on the rear brake pads, he drove a long distance, and the pads are like new. That's all guys, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to put like. Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how you can remove this rear brake discs. It case the same as front brake discs. First of all, we need to remove the wheel. After that, we need to remove this support. It's there on two bolts. Then we need extend our brake pads with using these screwdrivers. Remove these calipers and put somewhere. After that, we need to remove this bolt. Now remove our discs. The brake disc change in the event that there is a large rim, that is, the disc is badly worn. That's all to work. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel and put like. Now guys, we will tell a little about brake discs. You still need to grind them or not. Then over the time, a side appear in the discs. We draw a brake disc. This is a brake disc. This is a side. Has changed over time. Now we draw brake pads. This is a brake pads. When the brake pedal is pressed, the caliper cylinder pressed on the pedal pads and they came into contact with the brake discs. If there is protrusion on the discs, then it came into contact with the brake pads in this place and this place. As a result of which a crack and grinding sound in the obtained. External sound will be emitted each time. Therefore, the brake discs need to be shaped on the special ground. Now guys, in this video I want to tell such a things. This means that when the liquid in the barrel decreases, you don't need immediately top up to the level. The fact is that when the brake pads and brake discs burn out, it affects the fluid level in the reservoir. If you add fluid to the level and replace the brake pads with discs in a circle, the fluid level in the reservoir will increase. Already in this case, it will be necessary to remove excess liquid with a syringe. That's all guys. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to put like.